So if you have to shut down your Windows computer only using keyboard, there's couple of options, and one is to use Windows plus X keyboard shortcut, and that will open this menu, and this is the same menu that you will get when you right click the start button, and the keyboard shortcut is Windows plus X. And from here you can use up and down arrow to navigate through the option, and then we have this shutdown no sign out option. And here if we press enter, we have options to shut down and restart the computer. And also another way is to press Windows plus R key to open the Run Dialog box, and in the Run Dialog box type CMD and press enter. That will open a command prompt, and in the command prompt you can run the command shutdown and then type /s to shutdown, and if you want to restart use /r, and then using the /t option add the time delay, and if you set 0 it will shut down the computer immediately, but you can also specify a time delay in seconds. And for here example, if I type 60, that means 60 seconds or 1 minute, so this computer will be shut down in 1 minute. An advantage of this, that if we later decide that we don't want to shut down the computer, we can abort the shutdown using the command shutdown /a for abort, and that will cancel the shutdown. There's also another keyboard shortcut, that is Alt plus F4, but this one to work you have to be at your desktop, so you can press Windows plus D to show your desktop, and then if you press Alt plus F4 it will open up this shutdown Windows dialog box, and from here shutdown is the default option, so if we press enter here it will shut down the computer. And also you can use the tab key to move through this option, and then if you select the drop down menu you can use the up and down arrow keys to move through different power options like shutdown, restart and sleep. And also if you have active window and press Alt F4 it will close your active window, and then when you press Alt F4 again, that this time it will open the shutdown window. So if you keep pressing Alt F4 you will eventually get this shutdown dialog box. So that's how we shut down a Windows PC just using the keyboard.